Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. All prepared, wrapped up. And let's go fly the new Armor 85 HD FPV Whoop. HD means it has HD video recording on board. Electric bike? Not today. Today we are going to take this, the crazy ride. Meet the E-Mobo DuoTork. I'm sure you already met it in my videos. So we're gonna take this today and we'll drive slow and nice. Later, when the road is open and nobody's around, we will engage turbo mode with dual motors and see what this baby can do. Alright, here we go. Right now, ECO engage. Alright. We will stay in bike lane. This thing has some serious pull on it, I can see that. 32 kilometer. Ah, still screeching the tire. Alright, let me give you a complete overview of E-Mobo DuoTork. So, this little innocent looking e-scooter, well, don't go on its innocent looks, and definitely don't be fooled by its innocent angel eyes. This thing packs dual 1600 watt motors. It has ECO turbo mode, and you can also engage single or dual motor by using these buttons right here. On ECO mode, it will do half the speed of its maximum speed, that is 35 to 45 kilometers an hour, depending on the load on the bike, the person on the bike. And if you deactivate ECO, single motor will engage its full speed, that could be 80-85 kilometers per hour. When you want to get to screeching sod and pull wheelies, just engage dual motors and you will be surprised what this baby can do. Before engaging dual motors on turbo mode, make sure you have all the safety gear on, because you don't want to fall at the speeds of 90 to 95 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure if it can do 95, but last night I did 93 kilometers an hour. Well, we'll attempt it again today with proper gear. It's running a 25Ah battery at the moment, and that battery can give you 70 kilometers on, mild speeds. On high speeds or crazy acceleration, definitely you won't get that much. We also have 30Ah battery version that could do maximum 100 kilometers. Seat is optional. You can always, unfold and let the seat be up. It's super easy, okay, and it's a spring-loaded seat, so just like that you have your seat. Height is adjustable, handlebar height is adjustable. This can go really high actually, and of course it's a folding mechanism. The bike folds down for easy transportation and storage, and handlebars also fold down. Check this picture out. On the vertical handle, it has two LED lights and horn, and these sweet angel eyes will definitely make you fall in love with this baby. It's running disc brake systems both on the rear and on the front. These are basically oil-based disc brake systems, like it has hydraulics. It also has dual shocks on the front and dual shocks on the rear. This cover a full-size grown man can stand on it without any issues. There are a lot of settings that you can actually do all from this little controller right here. Later at some times I'll show you how to do the settings. You also have the light control here. Headlights have 3 modes: full, mid, and blinkers, like blinking lights, very bright blinking lights. You have a horn and you have a left-right signals, but they just turn on these LED strips right here. So just like that, colorful LED strips at left and at right side. And then we have a compass and a USB port for you to charge your cell phones, and handlebars, you can mount your cell phones for GPS or navigation and stuff. We have metal parts for the brakes, front and rear brakes, all metal parts. Last but not least, the baby is running 2 11-inch wheels with off-road tires. I just came here to get some video for the scooter, e-scooter, the EMOBO DuoTork that I'm riding. Now let's go for that FPV place, see if there's anybody or not. Dual motor, baby. But I just did 99 km/h. It was right here on the speedometer, man. Oh boy. Alright, my favorite place, the FPV whooping. Here I whooped the FPV's ass with the Ishin trash can. And I did crash the trash can in a trash can. That's a nice statement. Crashing a trash can in a trash can. That area in the middle have some statues as well. Let's go, let's go, let's go there. All right, I had fun flying tiny GT7, and let's go home and check out the videos, how they turned out. But before that, as my fellow RC pilots saw me riding the electric scooter and asked me to go back to the RC airport, so let's just take a little bit of a detour to RC airport again and see them. All right, let's go to RC airport. I got to. I'm simply in love with DuoTork, man. This thing is crazy. And for urban mobility, this is one of the best things you will put your hands on, man. No, not your hands on. This is one of the best e-scooters you will put your royal bottoms on. Này hả? Cho liền cái bờ của. 哦，这么大的。一个。
这是多少？
来，我的。好，
有一个
谢谢。
9451。
Oh, I can carry such big boxes on my scooter, man. It's definitely is one of the best thing. With a cage backside, I can actually put some luggage back there as well.